It's me, Mikey Pipes. Let me show you an awesome, really tits job that we're doing. We're doing about 1,800 square foot of hydronic radiant in-floor tubing heating with the Bosch Green Star. Check this out. Walk in the front door, grand foyer. We have 1/2 inch Mr. Pex, 10 inches on center. We're gonna do the kitchen next. We have a little hallway here off the foyer. Laundry. We have a powder room. We're gonna be doing the rough in here tomorrow. We'll re-rough. Toilet's going over there, and we're cleaning up all this mess right here. Cleaning all this up. Single vanity, wall mounted. Let me show you the master suite. Again, Mr. Pex, 1/2 inch. And this is expansion Pex, by the way. This is getting a closet system, so we don't need to heat under the cabinets. And we banged all this out. I tried to convince him to let me also put some radiant on this little sitting area, right, off the backyard. But he didn't want to do it. I was like, come on, you even got a closet here? And keep in mind, we do have a forced air system. So this is strictly going to be supplemental, just to keep the floor warm, you know? It's really nice about radiant, like in the summertime, you go in the bathroom, the floor's warm. You know, you set up for 70, 72 degrees, you have a warm floor. The master suite, he's getting another single vanity. I don't know why, but single vanity, wall mounted. Toilet's going here, the water closet. I tried to convince him to make it a true water closet, but that didn't happen. And then the shower. I'm going to put a linear drain in that far corner. This large area is getting a tub with the floor mounted faucet. Now, let me show you the rest. All right, we're not ready for the kitchen yet, but I'll show you the dining room. Here's the dining room. We're actually on a slab that has foam and the mesh and the tar paper. So we zip tied my 1/2 inch Pex. Again, 10 inches on center. On this wall here, I kind of lucked out, right? On this wall here, I kind of lucked out. We're getting all built-in cabinets. And he's putting a window in there. So the only thing I have left is kitchen and the eating area here. They're prepping the floor. We had a issue. Here's our crawl space. Crawl space technically ends right here, right? And here is just, I tried, guys. Let me show you, I tried. We drilled a hole, right? Because I was gonna run 1.25 inch, 2 lines of 1.25 inch with some Kindorf copper into there, through there, into the crawl space to my 2 manifolds that I have in the crawl space. And let's finish up the job. Work in progress, ladies and gentlemen. The Bosch Green Star. All right, we had, don't even ask. We had 2 Rheem power vented water heaters here. Yeah, don't even ask. But we ripped out one. We're putting in the Green Star. We're gonna set this bad boy for 135 degrees. No mixing valve needed. It's exclusively doing radiant and domestic hot water. It's gonna be really tits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up. I'm gonna throw my air separator here, circulator. I'm gonna shoot up, right up there, and I'll be up in the conditioned attic, right where there's a furnace up there, and come across the ceiling, and then we're gonna bust in through here and straight down right here. So stay tuned, guys. Work in progress. You're not gonna want to miss it. It's gonna be really tits. Ain't that right? Say it. It's gonna be tits.
It's gonna be tits.
That's right.